Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Rachel Rogers TV in 2016. Yay! And Happy New Year to all of you out there watching. I don't know about you guys, but I totally missed you. So I hope you guys missed me too. I hope you missed these video frames with my hair barely fitting in them. And I hope you missed the topics and tips that, I've been sharing on Rachel Rogers TV. So today I want to talk to you about building relationships and building your business network. I just came back from an amazing event called Go Summit in Orange County, California. I was speaking there and I met some amazing people. The host, Dane Sanders, did an incredible job of just really curating a community where you just feel safe and cozy, and everyone was really honest and sharing where they're at with their business, and was reminded how valuable having that community is. So I wanted to talk to you about how you can foster that community for yourself and to surround your business to help your business and you to have more success. Now, having a solid network is super essential to the growth of your business, but it does take nurturing. Now, I'm not just talking about business partnerships or people that you actually work with, but I'm talking about your business friends. These are people who totally get how to build a successful business and at the same time will push you to be the best version of yourself that you can. Now, having such a network requires nurturing. So I want to talk to you about 4 simple ways that you can systematize the process of building great relationships into your daily life. Now, one system that you can implement to grow and to deepen your business relationships is by choosing 30 contacts, right? So set aside maybe 30 minutes or an hour to choose 30 people that you would like to connect with in the next 30 days. And then every day when you start your day, just spend the first 5 to 10 minutes of your day writing a handwritten note to someone that just expresses gratitude, appreciation, or something that you wanted to tell them about, whatever it is, something really short and sweet on a handwritten, stationery or something like that. Now, ideally, you would have your virtual assistant or a physical assistant actually mail these out for you. So you could draft them and then have someone else mail them out. But even if you can't do that, or if you don't have an assistant, you can batch the mailing so that you mail them all out every Friday, all of your letters from the week. So just think about how special it is when you get a piece of physical mail that isn't a bill or something else really annoying. It isn't junk mail either. It's actually a really sweet handwritten note from a friend. That is a really beautiful thing, and it's something that you can systematize and do every day to build your relationships. And then when you're finished with those first 30 notes, at the end of the month, set aside another set of time, 30 minutes to an hour, to write down a list of the next 30 people that you want to send notes to over the next month. So that is system number 1 for building your relationships. Now, another way is to just record a short audio message every morning. Again, you could do it on a daily basis, right? And just systematize it, make it a part of your day. So maybe you spend the first 5 to 10 minutes of your day recording a short, sweet message. Again, just expressing gratitude for the person, letting them know that you see what they're out there launching or doing and that you wanted to say kudos, good job. I mean, it could be any positive message that you could send to a friend. Now, you would just record this in audio. You could do it right on your iPhone in voice memos or GarageBand with a Mac laptop. I am Team Mac, so I have no idea how you would do this on a PC, but I'm sure you could. Okay, now really, really simple process. Now, then you record it, and then you can have your assistant actually email out the recording. And maybe you just create a quick template for your assistant where they can just plug in that audio message and send it out for you on a daily basis or even once a week. Batch them and send them out. I recently received one of these from Jason Gaynard, who runs a company called Mastermind Talks, a really amazing event that he hosts, and he's got a great book, a bunch of other stuff, and a podcast. But he sent me a very sweet audio message on New Year's Day, and I thought it was so nice, and it really just totally improved my day and definitely sort of increased our little friendship, right? So that's another system that you can use to connect with people on a regular basis. Another way that you can connect with people regularly is using Facebook. So I have several Facebook groups that I am a part of, and what I'll do is like once a week, I will go in to each of these Facebook groups and sort of search for the topics that I have expertise on. So it could be some general business topics, it could be developing products, and then definitely legal topics. I tend to just do a quick search that's like legal, contracts, trademark, just search the group to see kind of what kind of messages people have posted on your topic, and then just go in and comment and share, recommendations or share advice wherever you can, and just be useful and be helpful to the people in the community. Now, this is not a selling thing. I don't do this for the sake of selling. I just do it to help other people, right? And it also helps to position you as an expert. It just connects you with people that you maybe would never have been connected with otherwise, right? And so that's one way that you can deepen your relationships and expand your business community on a regular basis. So again, what I do is I find a choice few Facebook groups that really make sense for me to be a part of. It's all communities of entrepreneurs. Some of them are women entrepreneurs. Some of them are, entrepreneurs that have businesses that are generating $1 million or more. They have different targets, right? And then you just go in there and be helpful. And what will happen over time is when you do this often enough, then people will start tagging you, right? So someone writes a post with a legal issue, they immediately tag, someone else in the community will tag me and say, hey, Rachel, can you respond to this? Maybe Rachel can be helpful here, So now I don't even have to search as much because people just tag me and I can go in and answer those questions. So that's another way to be really helpful to your community and foster business relationships. So the last system I want to tell you about for growing your business network and just creating and fostering amazing relationships is with founders dinners. Now, founders dinners is my new favorite thing. One of them was just this last Friday in LA. I was there for, as I mentioned at the top of this video, Go Summit. And so since I was traveling there, the Friday before that I would host a founders dinner with a couple of women entrepreneurs who I love, who I know are local to LA. Now, some of them I have really bonded with and I'm super close with. And then there were other women there who I don't know as well. And I was building my relationship with them, right? And also connecting them with other amazing women that I know in their community in LA. So now, this was a fantastic time. We had amazing conversation. Everyone was thrilled to be there. And also everyone wanted everyone else's contact information at the end, right? Because we've just bonded over this dinner and everyone was super vulnerable and just authentic. And it was just an amazing experience. Now, in 2016, I have committed to hosting 12 founders dinners at a minimum. So one per month. So I'll be hosting another one next month here in New York. And usually they'll be where I am, but if I'm traveling, I will go ahead and host one in the location that I'm traveling to that month. So to host your first founders dinner, you want to keep it small, 6 to 8 people, 8 being the max. I think 6 is a great group. I personally like 6. 6 is like the sweet spot in my opinion. And a lot of times you want to have a little theme. So maybe it'll be, all people in marketing or people in service businesses or women entrepreneurs, for example. So you can kind of choose group is going to be. And I like to have a mix of people that I know and people that I don't know so well and just connect people together. So there's a great book about this called Mastermind Dinners by Jason Gaynard, who is a great guy, and he's the guy that sent me the audio message, as I mentioned. And this book will tell you everything that you need to know about hosting your own founders dinners, or as he calls them, mastermind dinners. It's one of my favorite ways to connect with other people. It's a great way to get offline, out of your office or your home office if you work remotely, right? And just like get in front of other people and really connect. So those are my 4 systems for building and fostering relationships for your business in 2016. I have to tell you that having a community of entrepreneurs around you who are just hustling, who are going for it, who are ambitious, but that who are also heart-centered and authentic and honest and willing to share struggles of running a business and entrepreneurship, I mean, that will improve your opportunities for having a highly successful business and growing your business so much more than really anything else you can do. Just surrounding yourself with a community of like-minded people makes a huge difference. So I encourage you to try one of these 4 systems this year in 2016. So that is all I have for you today, folks. Thank you so much for watching Rachel Rogers TV. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. And if you never want to miss an episode of Rachel Rogers TV, use the subscriber boxes below to subscribe. It's just like DVR. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.